all about amazing Arabic. Tanween. This lesson is about the double vowel sounds that each letter makes when it is at the end of a word. In Arabic, the double vowels are called Tanween. You will need to say the first sound each letter makes and join it with the sound that the double vowel makes. The first double vowel is FAT-HAHTAIN. This is two small lines placed above any letter at the end of a word and makes the sound an, as in fan. Say an. The next double vowel is called KASRAHTAIN. This is two small lines placed below any letter at the end of a word and makes the sound in, as in bin. Say in. The next double vowel is called DUMMAHTAIN. This looks like two small wells placed above any letter at the end of a word and makes the sound un. Say un. Jayyid jiddan, very good. Now let's say the letters with the double vowels from Alif to Ya. Listen and say it with us. Remember, FAT-HAHTAIN is at the top, N. KASRAHTAIN is at the bottom, in. And DUMMAHTAIN is at the top, un. Alif, N, in, un. Ba, ben, bin, bun. Ta, ten, tin, dun. Thaa, then, thin, thun. Jeem, jen, jin, jun. Ha, han, hin, hun. Khaa, khon, khin, khun. Daal, den, din, dun. Dhaal, then, thin, thun. Ra, ron, rin, run. Zaa, zen, zin, zun. Sheen, sen, sin, sun. Sheen, shen, shin, shun. Saad, son, sin, sun. Daad, don, din, dun. Thaa, ton, tin, dun. Dhaa, dhan, din, dhun. Take a break. You have heard and said more than half of the letters with Tanween. Now let's say the rest of the letters with double vowels to the end of the alphabet. Ayn, an, ayn, un. Gh'aayn, ghan, ghin, ghun. Thaa, then, fin, fun. Qaaf, qan, qin, qun. Kaaf, gan, gin, kun. Laam, lan, lin, lun. Meem, men, min, mun. Noon, nan, nin, nun. Ha, han, hin, hun. Wow, wen, win, wun. Ya, yan, yin, yun. You may have noticed that some of the Tanween with the FAT-HAHTAIN made a slightly different sound than the an sound. This is because there are several heavy letters in the alphabet that are pronounced differently. We will tell you more about these letters in the next lesson, Insha'Allah. Jayyid jiddan, very good. And tahaytum, you've all finished. If you have any questions to ask for All About Amazing Arabic series, please contact us via the website.
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something new. Please like the video and share with family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss our next video. Stay keen!